Welcome aboard. So I'm actually on the yacht today. It's Wednesday, I believe, and I spent the entire day doing the davits like I said yesterday. It was a little tough. So let me show you that. Oh, by the way, that picture, we actually put it up. So it's about 5 o'clock, I would say, on a Wednesday. I came out here around 11 o'clock, and it's just beat. I'm beat because I didn't have everything I needed, and I'll explain that when we go look at the installation of the dinghy davits. So until the 5200 settles, I cannot put the arms of the davits yet on the swim platform. So as you can see here, the old Weaver, these are the old Weaver davits. Just leaving them on there because if I ever switch boats, I can take these off. These, I had a makeshift bolt. I ended up going to Ace Hardware, Home Depot, and Lowe's, and then I figured out get a threaded rod and get some bolts and make my own until I can find a stainless steel 10-inch rod. But the swim platform right here, where the four bolts are, that's actually in the engine compartment. So I had to go into the engine compartment, and there's not a lot of space because the corner is like right here, and it says you need 16 inches for the arm for the davits. So that was it was a tough day. It took me 5 hours just to be able to do that. So I got that side up, and this side. This was the harder side because I only had about, I don't know, a half an inch on it, but it's definitely looking nice. And when it dries tomorrow, I get to install those on them. So and then I got the kayak davits, or I mean not davits, the kayak holders. I put them up here. I'm just too tired to actually put them up on it. But yeah, I mean, one more day and I get to put that on it. So I'm really tired. I'm just gonna keep this a short and sweet video. But my pearls of wisdom today, I'll make it short and sweet. It's not that you can and others can't, like what my shirt says. It's that you will and others won't. For instance, I could have stopped today. Yeah, I could have stopped, but I won't. I won't stop. Keep on trucking, as they say. I'm just sweat right now. I got my hands are stingy from the mineral spirits. I have a bunch of 5200 all over me, and my skin is tingling from that stuff. So it happened the other day when I was doing other stuff. But yeah, I every time I wear gloves though, I have to take them off like 1,000 times and then put new gloves on because I touch everything, and it just gets messy in here. But yeah, I don't think I'm coming out to the boat tomorrow to put the dinghy davits on and then put it on. Today was just a rough day. Got to the boat around 11, got my Chick-fil-A, then started drilling the holes, realized that the hardware wasn't sufficient, then made trips everywhere across St. Augustine, Ace Hardware, Home Depot, and Lowe's, to try to figure out what I'm going to do, because I didn't want to give up on the project today because I didn't have a 10-inch stainless steel bolt. So I'm like, well, I can manufacture a bolt. It's a little tough though when you try to screw in the bottom, the top of the bolt likes to twist off because it's just nylon nut. So I had an ingenious way of using my vice grips. Just use the vice grips on the bottom of the bolt. There you go. You can start twisting away. But But yeah, I'm just glad it's over with. I'm actually going to pick up some beer on the way home. It is pretty late. Oh, it's actually almost 6 o'clock. So, yeah, stay tuned for tomorrow, because I actually put the dinghy on the back. Yeah, I think I'll put the dinghy on the back tomorrow. But as always, stay safe and keep boating. Talk at you soon. Ciao.